The Bosnia Crisis. The Bosnia Crisis of 1908-9 is really significant in the lead up to the First World War. And the reason for that significance, it was the reason why the assassination of the Archduke Franz Ferdinand happened, which I'm sure you all know off by heart now. So what happened was, in 1908, Austria-Hungary suddenly decided that they were going to annex Bosnia, that was at the bottom of where they were. So they decided they wanted to take that land. But at this point, Bosnia and Serbia actually had been together. So obviously Serbia were not happy that Bosnia had just been taken from them, because Bosnia used to be part of Greater Serbia. You may have heard of Yugoslavia, and also at one point Bosnia and Serbia were known as Yugoslavia. And if you ever hear in the exam the word the Balkans, don't panic. The Balkans is just Bosnia and Serbia. It's those two countries. So problems in the Balkans are those two countries. So what happened was, Serbia obviously wanted to get Bosnia back off Austria-Hungary. But due to the size of them, there was no way that they could do that without help from another country. So Serbia, who'd had a few alliances in the past with Russia, asked Russia for help. And Russia promised to support Serbia in getting Bosnia back. The problem was, because of the alliance systems, Austria-Hungary looked to Germany for help, and Germany promised to support Austria-Hungary, and they threatened Russia with war if they stepped in to help. So what happens then is Russia panic, thinking we're not ready for war at the beginning of 1909, so they back out. So there's 4 key results that happened in these crises, and this is really important. So the first result is Serbia still wants revenge on Austria-Hungary for taking Bosnia. And they get that in 1914 with the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand, because he was the Archduke of Austria-Hungary. Russia feel really bad for letting them down, Serbia down this time. So when war comes in 1914, they step up and help Serbia this time. Another thing is Italy didn't step in and help Austria-Hungary and Germany here, and they were becoming less enthusiastic towards the Triple Alliance. So because, to be quite honest, they wanted land, but they didn't really want to have to do anything for it. And what it shows is as well, is it shows that ultimately these alliance systems could actually drag the world and these countries into war. And this was a major problem, because obviously all of these countries could see that if one thing like this took place, it could trigger off a major world conflict, which obviously it did.